Apple Vision Pro, top ways it transforms your world. Diving into the realm of virtual and augmented reality headsets, it's clear they're not a new phenomenon. The inception of the Oculus Rift DK1 back in 2013 marked the beginning of an era, followed by an array of offerings from companies like Facebook and HCL. Yet none have quite stirred the pot like Apple's recent unveiling of the Apple Vision Pro. In typical Apple fashion, the mere mention of this product has ignited excitement. While VR/AR headsets may not be everyone's cup of tea at present, industry giants like Apple and Meta are eyeing lofty ambitions for the future. Meta's rebranding to Metaverse signals a bold proclamation that AR/VR is the way forward. Similarly, Apple's strategic move to introduce a VR headset instead of a foldable smartphone, following its ascent to the top spot in global smartphone manufacturing, speaks volumes about the company's vision. The initial availability of the Apple Vision Pro is restricted to the US, priced at a hefty $3,500. For those fortunate enough to wield this cutting-edge device, here are the top 10 amazing uses. Screens all around. Harness the versatility of the Vision Pro by pinning screens anywhere in your living space, revolutionizing traditional tasks like note-taking, time management, and entertainment. Next-level gaming. Delve into a realm of unparalleled gaming experiences with over 250 titles available on Apple Arcade, designed to push the boundaries of immersion and entertainment. Education immersion. Transform learning into a captivating adventure with VR/AR technology, allowing students to explore concepts in unprecedented depth and detail. Virtual travel experiences. Embark on virtual adventures to far-flung corners of the globe, courtesy of apps like Voyager by ForeFlight, offering a glimpse into aviation environments in stunning 3D. Fitness and wellness. Revolutionize your fitness routine with live virtual workouts and interactive sessions, paving the way for a new era of collaborative exercise experiences. While VR/AR headsets may still be in their nascent stages, the Apple Vision Pro represents a significant leap forward with its promise of a multifaceted future. From computing and gaming to education and beyond, the Vision Pro has the potential to revolutionize everyday life, infusing even the most mundane tasks with excitement and innovation.